So actually this my first row is not promoted as a header, so I'll show you once again. So I have to go to transform data, go to Power Query. So once I'm here at Power Query, what I can do is use first row as headers. So my first row is used as header. Okay, then close and apply. Okay, it will come back to the Power BI desktop, then go to the dataset. I hope now you can understand, right? Okay, so these are my, this table contains my manager's information, all right, and the another table which contains my transactions. They're each and every salesperson's transactions. This is basically a fact table. This is a dynamic dimension table, all right, dimension table and fact table. Okay, so suppose there is a requirement where where I have to fetch all the manager names here. Okay, so there is a requirement where I have to fetch all the manager names here. So here what you can see is all the here you can see all the manager IDs, not names. In case if you want to fetch the related data of each manager ID, okay, so this table contains only ID, but my master table kind of dimension table contains all the details, their address and okay, everything. So suppose in case I have to fetch it, here. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll simply create a new column. Okay, manager, let's say manager name equals to RE, okay, related and column name. So when I say related column name, I'll write manager name equals to test. Okay, test has come here. Let me go and check the relationship. Okay, so this related function, whenever I was using a related function only work if there is a current or active relationship between tables, because otherwise how would it fetch the data from other table if there is no relationship. So in database we have used primary key and foreign key concepts, okay, to connect two tables together. But here how would you achieve this? So you'll have to go to this table. Okay, this is your parent table or it's a dimension table. So your employee ID is nothing but it is your manager ID in this other table. Okay, understood? So EID is EID, this is a common column, yes or no? This is a common column, EID and manager ID. It's a common column between these tables, right? If you go and check the data, here manager ID contains all the manager's ID. Here manager's table contains all the manager ID. Yes or no? Correct? Are you getting it? Yes or no? Is there any issue? कौन है प्रेमानंद सुबुने हाँ देखो ये जो दीटा टेबल रे व्हाट इज द कॉमन कॉलम यू आर फाइंडिंग डेटा जोटी कॉमन अछि सेल्स टेबल एटा होची सेल्स टेबल ओके एटा होची मैनेजर टेबल देखो गोटे काम कर तुम MSPAINT Okay, so now you tell me which table has common data, which is a common column basically.
ID.
ID, right? Here it is manager ID, here it is employee ID. This is a common column karan data na data common achanti, right? एटी जो डेटा अच्छे एटी सेम डेटा अच्छे. Yes or no?
Yes.
See, even if the name changes, it really doesn't matter. When we were teaching you this primary key and foreign key concepts, I have already told you if the data is same, data type is same, then it really doesn't matter if your name is different, the column name is different. So if I want to establish a relationship, or if I want to connect these two tables by a primary key, foreign key, tell me guys, which has to be my primary key and which has to be my foreign key. This is, let's say, managers table. This is sales table. So tell me guys, primary key क्या होगा, foreign key क्या होगा?
Primary key manager.
प्राइमरी की मैनेजर टेबल, राइट? दिस इज प्राइमरी की आउ ए कीटा को रेफर करिबो ये, कारण मैनेजर आसिले तो सी सेल करिवे. इफ मैनेजर टेबल रे मैनेजर रहिबे नेटी सेल किए करिवो, जो कहते स्टॉक टेबल रे स्टॉक रहिबो ने, तुम माने तुम स्टोर रे सेल केमति करिवो? यू हैव टू फर्स्ट ऐड द स्टॉक्स. यू हैव योर you should always hire sales managers, then they will perform their job or perform their task. If manager will not be there, then how they can perform the task? So this is kind of parent table. Okay, this is a child table, this is a primary key table, this is a foreign key table, not table, I would say. It's a primary key column, it is a foreign key column. Clear?
Yes.
Okay, so now my requirement is, see, this is my sales table. Here I want to get all the names. Here M007 means I get something. Okay, M005 means I want to get their name. I want to basically fetch their name in this particular table. Okay, so I want to fetch the name. Okay, so the requirement is I want to fetch the name here under manager name column. I want to fetch all the names because here I have only IDs. 8 more ID I want to fetch the names. That is what my requirement is. So how to fetch that? Basically, first you have to establish a relationship. Okay, you have to connect these two tables based on a relationship. How to connect? So basically, this is a common column. You understood? It has the similar type of data and same data type. So EID drag करके आने की, you have to put it here in this manager ID. Now we have one-to-many relationships. Okay, now both these tables are connected with a relationship. Okay, you go here and in this manager name, now if you see, it is a calculated column which you have created. Okay, this is a calculated column. So new column, so I'll write related. Okay, bracket start karo. See, automatically, since these two tables are connected, mu related lekhu the moment I wrote this function, I'll just, okay, so mu related lekhu bracket start kale, then I am getting, so को table को relate करछि से, एटा मु sales table रो अछि, but he which table it is relating to?
ID.
Which table?
Name.
Table is
Name.
manager table, right? माने जेहेतु मैनेजर सांगे सेल्स रो मैनेजर सांगे कनेक्शन एस्टाब्लिश, एटा मैनेजर टेबल सांगे सेल्स रो माने कनेक्टिविटी बा कनेक्शन एस्टाब्लिश हेई जाइछि. तो एठी मु एतले ब्रैकेट स्टार्ट करछि ना, से कहछि तुमको मैनेजर टेबल रो को कॉलम दरकार, व्हिच कॉलम डू यू वांट टू पुट इट इन मैनेजर सेल्स टेबल. सेल्स टेबल रे मैनेजर टेबल रो को कॉलम दरकार. एबे मते नेम कॉलम दरकार. आई विल सिंपली स्पेसिफाई नेम, क्लोज द ब्रैकेट, एंटर. आसला M001 रे रश्मिता, M7 रे रश्मिता, 1 रे अर्पिता, 2 रे प्रिय. देख 7 रश्मिता, 1 रे अर्पिता, 2 रे प्रिय. बुझियला? One second, I'll show you. Go to manager name. Okay, see, jati relationship, if you just delete the relationship. I'm saying if you just delete the relationship, देखो, you go here, write related brackets, देखो related लिखि bracket start कली मते किछि field आसीबनी कारण ए टेबल रो काहा संगे relationship नाही. Yes, this table is no way related to any other tables in your data model view. Yes or not? Yes or no?
Yes.
मु रिलेशनशिप ड्रॉप कर देछि, राइट, किछि रिलेशनशिप नाही मैनेजर और सेल्स भितर. दैट इज द रीजन व्हाई यू आर राइटिंग रिलेटेड फंक्शन, यू आर नॉट गेटिंग एनी ऑप्शंस. को टेबल रो डेटा आनी से कहून तुम. बट वंस यू एस्टाब्लिश द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन दिस टू टेबल्स, ड्रैग कर आनी छाड़ दियो. ओके, देन यू गो हियर एंड राइट रिलेटेड. सी ऑटोमेटिकली देखे देला सब देखो. तुमको एड्रेस दरकार, आईडी दरकार, नेम दरकार, मु चाहूँ खाली एड्रेस. ब्रैकेट क्लोज करो. समस्त एड्रेस नहीं आसला. M007 मैनेजर एड्रेस हो कटक, कार हो भुवनेश्वर, कार हो पुरी, राउरकेला एंड ऑल दैट. इफ आई डोंट वांट एड्रेस, आई वांट नेम. ओके, आई कैन सिलेक्ट नेम, क्लोज द ब्रैकेट, एंटर. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So this is how related works. So related basically केमती relate करछि. related table suppose तमरो master table रो data आनी के देखो छी. ओके, जो parent table बा master table जोटा तमरो dimension table table रो data dimension table रो data आनी की fact table रे show करछि. correct? It is trying to fetch the data from dimension table and showing it even fact table. So that is the use of related function. There is another function that is called related table. Okay, so let's go to this. I'll write I don't know whether this function will work or not. Let's give it a try. So sales, okay, I'll get sales related table, I'll write, okay, sum x, this is my manager, sum x manager table, then related table. Here if I write no, related table in Power BI. We'll directly go to Microsoft site. Okay, how it works. Sum x related table. Okay, got it. Okay, sum x related table. So in related table I want to fetch the data from managers. Okay, then give a comma. Okay, the expression refers to multiple columns. Okay, I understand. So what I have to write here is managers related table of sales. Okay, then sales table row, I think sales value. Okay, so what is happening over here is, so sum always takes a table name, then okay, sum always takes a table name, then the expression, what is the amount. Okay, so if you see here, I'll tell you how it works. Okay, so first thing is you understood how to, okay, first thing is you understood how to create this table. This is clear to all of you? Sorry, this is clear how we fetched by related function. Okay, this is clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it is very simple. It is once again I'll show you. Related bracket start कोड डेटा को फेच करिया चाहूँ नेम मुझे फेच करिया चाहिए एड्रेस आई कैन फेच एड्रेस if you want to fetch name then say table row name. Okay, this is name. So related function, by using related function you can fetch the specific column details, okay, column values from a dimension table. Okay, you can fetch it from a, basically we are fetching it, this is a fact table and we are fetching the each manager's name from a dimension table. Vice versa, ulta case re kon karibo, like when you want to fetch, suppose you want to fetch the sales data, I mean whatever Arpita has done, Arpita dekho if you go here, okay, so suppose Arpita's ID is M001, so I'll tell you Arpita's ID is M001. If I'll just select M001 and M002, see M001 16185 22662, M002 13210, okay, 90540. Okay, so manually we will calculate, only we will see 13210 13210 plus 132, acha sales, I'm saying sales. Okay, sales is 26420 2642420 plus M002 results 352100 352100. Okay, so that means notepad 378520. Okay, so what about second person sales? One is 16185 plus, okay, 22662. 16185 plus, what is happening, 16185 plus 22, yaar, this is a cells Pita 32370 32370 plus again Arpita cells 30216 30216 62586 62586. Okay, this is M001 manager cells, this is M002 manager cells. Okay, so I'll now explain you how it will work. Okay, now what I want to do is I want to go to managers table. Here I want to fetch their sales data. Okay, that means I should get Arpita sales as 62,586 and Priya sales as 3,78,520, so on and so forth. Okay, ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କର ସେମିତି ମୋତେ ଡେଟା ଦେଖାଯିବା ଦରକାର. Understood my requirement? This is my dimension table. In this dimension table I want to fetch the respective person's sales data by summing up. Got it? Got the requirement clearly? Okay, so now what you can do is here, by using relate function you will not be able to get it. I'll use the related function. Let's try this. New column, let's say sales amount equals to related. See, even if it is, see, even if this there is a relationship, there is an active relationship, you will not be able to fetch it. You will not be able to fetch it. Okay, so there is another function which is, we'll write sum x. Okay, within sum x we will pass related table. So which is the related table? So related table is sales, because I want to fetch data from sales table. So my related table is sales, comma, which column I want to summarize? In the expression you have to specify the column. So expression column specify karibo, sales ro table ro sales column. Okay, got it? So correct answer मिळला देखो, 6266586 378520 पूरा समराइज है कि समय क्रेसला, यस और नो? जदि मु एवरेज एक्स लिखिबी ए वी, देखो एवरेज एक्स लिखिले, एंटर एंटर, तामाने 62586 divided by 2 equals to 31293 189260, which is almost 50% of this. Only 2 transactions means average value divided by 2 hela mane, correct? Got the output? So once again I'll explain you. You have to write sum x function. In sum x function, okay, in sum x function you have to pass, sum x function takes 2 arguments. First one is table, second one is expression. So ko table ru tame fetch kariya chaho, from which table you want to fetch? So you write related of sales. Okay, related sales. Okay, related sales, comma, so related table, this is called related table sales. अब sales रो को value ऊपर मोरो expression में set करिबे sales, enter. Got it? Got the correct value? This is not required, I can remove this, delete from model. Yes, clear? Understood both the functions, related and related table?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now we will see how to declare a variable in Power BI. Okay, in this DAX, how can you declare a variable? Let's say I'll tell you, I'll show you one thing. We have this Excel, Power BI, let's see. I'll do one thing. Excel, move or copy. What is sales pivot 2? Create a copy. New workbook. Home. Save as. Browse. Power BI. Then I'll save it. Okay. Excel workbook. Power BI. What is sales data where? What is the issue? Sales data. Load. Okay. So you know how to create, like suppose sales pivot 2. I'll go to sales pivot 2. Then let's say sales manager. Okay. Sales manager. Then there are total sales. Total sales. For total sales, I can create a measure. For total sales, I can create a measure, new measure. Total sales equals to sum of, okay, sum of this I have to first rename it here. Sales where. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll create a new new measure. So new measure means I'll write, let's say, total sales equals to sum of, okay, sum of sales where, because I'm working on this table, sales where of sales. Okay, total sales is already used. Okay, so what I'll do is total underscore sales. Correct? Am I getting the total sales? Okay, if I want to come up with the percentage, then I want to see individual percentage. How to do? Individual's contribution towards the total sales. How to do? Told you.
Individual sales by total sales into 100.
Total sales into 100. How? ଏମିତି ହେଲେ କିଛି ହବନି.
Sir, individual sales by total sales into 100.
Okay. Tell me what should I write here? Tell me. I'll write contribution. Tell me. No. What should I write here?
Total sales by.
Total sales. Okay. So is a measure total sales. हाँ. तापरे by. What should I write? एमती प्रिपेरेसन है 2-3 वर्ष जाए जॉब लगे पढ़े पढ़े हालत खराब हो तुम मनकर या जदि रेस्पॉन्स रहिबो 3 थर 4 थर 5 थर तुम चेक कर अलग जगह चेक कर कि केत थर रिपीट करुच्ची ओके ये जिनस डैक्स एतिक जिनस कहीं कवर ही करें 10 दिन है डैक्स ही पढ़ुचे बिकज आई वांटेड टू मेक श्योर दैट समस्ते थॉरली ये जिनसा बुझ बट टोटल सेल्स बाय 100 अच्छा तुम यह कहल टोटल सेल्स बाय 100 अच्छा कंट्रीब्यूशन इज दिस द कंट्रीब्यूशन दिस मच परसेंटेज या संगे 100 डिवाइड कर दिला we don't want filter context to be applied. That is the reason why we have learnt all. So which is calculate of expression. Okay, so calculate of expression, which is your total sales comma all. So all bhitere I'll write all bhitere I'll have to write column name, sorry, table name. So table name is sales var. Okay, I'm getting my all sales. Then to find out the percentage, I'll write one more new measure. That's a percentage contribution. Okay, there is a function called divide. Okay, so divide total sales. Okay, total sales by all sales. Total sales by what is it? All sales. Okay, then comma alternate result. If it is not able to divide, I'll write 0. This converted in percentage. Got it? इटा मैंने 3 थर रिपीट करथि 3 थर देखई थी ऑल रे यूज कौन फिल्टर ऑल यूज कला माने सो एटी जमती डेटा टोटल सेल्स पड़ जाए टोटल सेल्स हम ड्रैग कर देला माने फिल्टर कॉन्टेक्स्ट माने ऑटोमेटिकली फिल्टर हो जाउछि बेस्ड ऑन द प्रीवियस कॉलम ओके so automatically filter egala based on individual sales but I don't want this to be filtered out so that is the reason I have used all function will remove all the filters that is applied on a table suppose all table all sales data ani pokidil dekho ye filter hi hone so 8 divided by 8 so 8 divided by 8 is my percentage contribution so that is what I'm getting over here you remember or not okay so let's see so how to declare a variable okay instead of see we have basically created 2 to 3 we have created three measures. First one is total sales, second one is all sales, the third one is contribution. Okay, so these are the three measures which we have created. Now, so we will do this using a variable. Okay, can anybody tell me how to create a variable? Okay, I'll say any name you can give. I'm writing sales manager contribution. Okay, alt enter. Okay, alt enter, then I'll write var, okay, total, I'll write equals to, alt enter, it will go to next line. Variable माने तो मैं variable already मैं तुमको explain कर ची. Variable माने it's a memory space in the okay, in any programming language it is a memory space which has a name which can store a value. Okay, so एठी में variable declare करिया पे कि जेमते हमें SQL server, in SQL server we used to declare variable like this. Yes or no? Declare at the rate name. Okay, var of 20. I can write set at the rate name equals to, let's say, Premanand. Okay, that means I have declared this variable in the memory which is of varchar type. Now I am trying to assign a value to this variable. Clear? Yes or no? Clear? Yes or no? In TSQL we have learnt, yes or no? Guys, remember TSQL remember padthile, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so here we can write variable space. Okay, variable space, let's say first what I want, total. I'll write total equals to sum of, okay, sum of sales var sales var sales, कारण ए टेबल टा ऊपर हमें काम करछे. Close the bracket. Okay, enter, पुनः लिखली var all sales equals to calculate. Okay, var all sales equals to calculate. Okay, calculate, then what I have to provide is, okay, now this is, I can write like this also, this sum of sales तापरे all भितर से टेबल टा को पास कर दो. से टेबल होची सेल्स var. Okay, okay, then एटा हे गला. I am writing one more var. Okay, the result equals to, okay, output equals to divide. Okay, divide का साथ का को divide करिबो, total से value होची, then all cells किछि divide न करि परले I'll have to write 0. Okay, so return output. Return output, जो आउटपुट तुमरा आसिला सेटा को तुम रिटर्न कर दो. हाँ, okay, so let's see whether it is working or not. I'll create one more table. I'll add, if you go to sales variable, I'll add manager. Okay, I'll add total sales. Maybe I'll add total sales. Okay, then I will directly add what is that I have created, this, right? Got it, guys? Same output I'm getting. I'll just put it in percentage. Are you getting the same output, Arpita? बाहर क्लिक कर दियो, फिल्टर हो जाउछ. Getting the same output, sales manager contribution. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so एठी कौन होतला हमें separately तीनटा DAX create करतले, but here we don't have to do that. In one single DAX we have done everything, but you have to see how it is working. Okay, ଏଇଟା गोटे डैक्स रो खाली गोटे डैक्स मेजर गोटे ना प्रथम गोटे वेरिएबल डिक्लेयर कराला टोटल. सो टोटल रे सम रहिला, टोटल सम रहिला. ओके, ऑल सेल्स रे कोन कराला कैलकुलेट आउ एटा को फिल्टर अप्लाई करबन बोली हमें ऑल यूज कले, सो दैट ऑल द फिल्टर विल बी रिमूव्ड. तापर सेठी जहा करथले तीनटा सेपरेट स्टेप रे एठी गोटे माने गोटे वेरिएबल यूज करके हमें सब एटा सिस्टमैटिकली कर देले. Okay, this is how you are going to use the variables and DAX function. এটা টিকে বেশি effective हुए. Okay, so let's try whether this is working or not. जेहेतु variable टा hold करूचे, I'll write this directly. Enter. Total sum of cells. No, it is not working. Okay, so got it. Same it tinta separate measure हमें create करथले, but now we are only creating one DAX function using variables. We are able to variable माने total टा इधर store है जो all cells टा इधर store है जो output रे divide करें total divided by all cells. So the divide न है पहला 0 है पहले percentage बाहर कर देता हूँ. Okay, जब तुम चाहो तो निजे निजे percentage बाहर करिया पाई you can also do this. केमती percentage बाहर करिवो, I think alt enter. आ गोटे वेरिएबल डिक्लेयर करिया var परसेंट हम लिखले var परसेंट इक्वल्स टू var per equals to output and concatenate text 1 text 2. So text 1 होची मोर output. Okay, text 2 होची percentage. Okay. So final ये जो percentage रे final output होची सेटा को मैं return कर देबी, मैं return कर दोची. Enter output तक. Oh, खतरनाक output आसी देखो. Okay, ठीक अच्छी. Is this correct? This is not correct, right? So why you are not, nobody is responding? Output into 100. Okay, let's try this also. फिर भी गलत अच्छी, राइट? बहुत डेसिमल प्लेसेस बहुत अच्छे. So what I can do is राउंड फंक्शन आपको राउंड फंक्शन रे पकेली. ओके, कमा देली 2 डेसिमल प्लेसेस रे राउंड कर. ओके, सो 2 डेसिमल प्लेसेस रे राउंड कर. What is the issue? I'll do one thing. गोटे काम करिया बेटर हम. राउंड जहाँ आउटपुट आसला, ओके, जहाँ आउटपुट आसला ताको 2 डेसिमल प्लेसेस रे राउंड ऑफ कर दिया. ओके, एंटर. ओके, हे गला, राउंड ऑफ हे गला. बट दिस इज नॉट, कंट्रीब्यूशन इज नॉट 0.13 0.12, इट इज एक्जाक्टली 1312. तुम देखिबो इट इज एक्जाक्टली 1312. ओके ओके, सो राउंड ऑफ हे गला परे आकु कोन करबी, मु मल्टीप्लाई कर देबी. व्हाट आई विल डू इज आई विल मल्टीप्लाई. ओके, जहाँ राउंड हो गला परे मल्टीप्लाई इंटू 100. एमती भी तुम कर पार. Correct? This can be done. If you want exact output, I think we'll have to do some more changes. गोटे राउंड ऑफ करी गोटे फंक्शन अच्छे, गोटे राउंड डाउन करी फंक्शन अच्छे. सो राउंड डाउन करी फंक्शन आम यूज करी परिया. राउंड डाउन नंबर ऑफ डिजिट्स. ओके, ये 12% ही नहीं जो राउंड डाउन, इट विल नॉट गो टू 13%. Okay, output I'll show you. Concatenate percentage equals to 0.13. This is not working. Okay, single hand रे काम कर, राइट? सिंगल हैंड रे काम कला पर तुम कौन कर परियो. आउटपुट राउंड this comma, let's say round so round 2 decimal places ro kala obviously will get 13%. Okay, round the 2 decimal places ro karibo you will get 30. If you do it in 3 decimal places, you might get the correct output. This, okay, into 100. Okay, अबे देखो exact 12.9 12.4. okay, so exact output आसिया को तुमको गोटे काम करिया पड़ियो 4 decimal places रे याको राउंड अप करिया दरकार. 4 डेसिमल प्लेस तुम पूरा परफेक्ट सेम टू सेम आउटपुट पाइबे देख 4 डेसिमल प्लेसेस 9 जहाँ 9 0 से 4 जहाँ 4 हुआ इसे ये देखो आउ सब कंपेयर करो 12.90 12.9 12.40 12.4 ओके 12.51 12.51 12.32 12.36 13.02 ओके 12.39 करेक्ट बुझीगला ना एथरे किसी डाउट अच्छी ये टिके कॉम्प्लेक्स तुम वीडियो 2-3 थर देख तापर जापर राउंड फंक्शन तो आम सबुटी पढ़े राउंड फंक्शन में एसक्यूएल रे पढ़े आम एक्सेल रे पढ़े एवरीवेयर इन ऑल द टेक्नोलॉजी सो फार वी हैव लर्नड राउंड फंक्शन ओके डिवाइड फंक्शन तो तुम जानिच डिवाइड फंक्शन आई हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड यू सो इज देयर समथिंग व्हिच यू फाउंड डिफिकल्ट एवर हियर ना समस्त हालत खराब हो गला एमती किसी ना माने इज नथिंग कॉम्प्लेक्स आठर सब आहुरी कॉम्प्लेक्स रहिबो बट इट इज दिस इज प्रिटी सिंपल गोटे वेरिएबल डिक्लेयर है वेरिएबल भितर में टोटल सेल्स रखले गोटे वेरिएबल डिक्लेयर है जो ऑल सेल्स रखले ऑल फंक्शन सो ऑल कौन पे यूज करा हुए ऑल इज यूज टू रिमूव ऑल योर फिल्टर्स दैट इज अप्लाइड ऑन ए पर्टिकुलर टेबल सो ऑल सेल्स हो गला सो आउटपुट रे कौन कले डिवाइड कले टोटल डिवाइडेड बाय ऑल जदि डिवाइड हो पारबनी ताले 0 दे देबो डिवाइड हो पारे परसेंटेज दियो तापर बाहर परसेंटेज बाहर पर आम बहुत सारा माने इवेन से डेसिमल पर 7-8टा डिजिट रोला बट आम चाकू राउंड ऑफ करदे प्रथम 4 डिजिट्स रे इंटू 100 तापर एटा को एम्परसेंट माने कौन कॉन्केटिनेट करने कि एटा को संगे कॉन्केटिनेट बा जॉइन करने इफ यू वांट टू जॉइन दिस टू सो हैव यूज्ड दिस एंड दिस यू गॉट इट एंड रिटर्न परसेंटेज सो जो फाइनल आउटपुट है तुम ताको रिटर्न करिया पड़ो रिटर्न कले ही माने ए जो आउटपुटा फाइनाली या भितर को जीव सेल्स मैनेजर कंट्रीब्यूशन भितर को तापर एटी देखिबो यस गॉट इट almost all the DAX functions we have covered. We'll see, I'll check today if there is something pending, we will discuss it day after tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow we'll not have any class, so we can connect day after tomorrow. DAX function is done. So understood, everyone?
sir, parallel period last year already discuss कर जाइए ना
हाँ
parallel जो last year
हाँ तो मु कही समस्त काली करके आनिक आस परदिन
सर
हाँ
सर से आंसर हम बाहर कर तो एमजी हो कि कैलकुलेट देन ब्रैकेट देन सम देन हम जहाँ टेबल नेम को सेल्स देन पैरेलल पीरियड यदि हमको कुछ डेट दरकार थिबो तो आपन कहथिले कि 1 ईयर को माने कंपैरिजन करबो से -1 देन कमा ईयर तो पड़िबो ना जदि हमें 2021 का हम लास्ट ईयर हे जाउछि तो हमें 2 ईयर पकेबा
करेक्ट -2 पड़िबो
हां हां
माइनस
से कथा भाबो कि जदि कोविड ईयर टा जदि हम कंपैरिजन करबा देन 1 करे पड़े
देखो एबे लेट्स से फॉर एग्जांपल 80 suppose this is my 2021 cells okay 2021 cells 5000 okay 2022 cells let's say 6000 okay 20 I'm looking of let's say 500 for this 2019 row cells it is 2019 row cells it is let's say 7 2020 red cells 750 2019 row cells okay so basically मु चाहूँ या संगे आपको कंपेयर करने कारण दी वर्ष सेल्स पूरा स्लो थिला ड्यू टू कोविड लॉकडाउन ओके मुझे संगे आपको कंपेयर कर सो पैरेलल पीरियड रे तुम 2000 माइनस 2022 करंट ईयर -2 पकईदेव एबेका ईयर -2 सॉरी -3 तो ए डेटा सांगे एटा कंपेयर तो बेसिकली तुम ये पैरेलल पीरियड लिखिल सी ये लिखला 6000 ये लिख 5000 ओके ये 500 लिखाला है आर किसी कंपैरिजन नहीं आर आसबनी है यहीटा पड़े आसो पैरेलल पीरियड लास्ट ईयर ता भीतर 3 ईयर इंटरवल देच 2019 सांगे 2022 ओके so try karo if that doesn't work we will discuss in the next session okay any other questions